everybody, it's Anna at Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I wanted to show you my new worktop. My daughter made this for me. I guess she got tired of looking at my ratty old cardboard. But hey, I refinished this desk and I did not want to mess up that desktop. But she went ahead and made that for me, and it's a great addition to my workspace. She also bought me this glue gun stand. It's a Surebonder glue gun stand so that I don't drip glue all over my new worktop. She knew that that was the first thing I was going to say about the worktop, so she made sure to include that in there. It's really easy to put together. It's just two pieces. You've got the stand and you put it into the drip holder. Put it together, place your glue gun right on top of it, and it holds it neatly, and all the glue just drips onto that no stick pad. So thank you, Stephanie, my child, for making this for me, a beautiful addition to my craft space. Can't wait to get it dirty. Now let's get crafting. Bye.